We're here today to commemorate Rare Disease Week. What can be done to invest in research and development for cures of what are called orphan diseases or rare diseases, which currently have no FDA-approved treatments? Joining us today is a great friend of Valley, a champion of quality and access to health care, and a stellar representative in D.C., Congressman Josh Gottheimer. Within that as a background, let me now introduce Dr. Abbate to talk about her experiences with rare diseases.
I support Congressman Gottheimer's legislative efforts to fully restore the orphan disease research tax credit, which was cut in half in 2017. Restoring these funds will help New Jersey's life science leaders invest more in research and development. It will allow physicians such as myself the opportunity to provide life-saving treatments to patients who have conditions that represent a small portion of the population and often have no FDA treatments.
We're here today to announce two new bipartisan bills that I'm introducing to help our incredible New Jersey life sciences sector boost research and development to find treatments and cures for rare diseases, sometimes, as you heard, known as orphan diseases. Here in New Jersey, we're lucky to have some of the best hospitals and medical facilities, labs, and R&D in the entire country, the best doctors, medical school graduates, nurses, and life science leaders. And just like we came together during the pandemic to keep our community safe, we need to keep coming together to cure and treat rare diseases, those that often don't get the attention and investment they need and deserve. The 2017 tax hike bill gutted our state and local tax deduction and sent us in the wrong direction on many fronts, including cutting the orphan drug research tax credit in half, making treatment for rare diseases even rarer. I'm very grateful to be joined by a friend, Rob, whose 8-year-old daughter, Kariann, has a rare disease called Sanfilippo Syndrome, which affects the central nervous system, specifically the brain and spinal cord. Right now, there are no FDA-approved treatments for Sanfilippo Syndrome, and it's one of the reasons that I'm here. And frankly, it's one of the reasons why I'm so committed to fighting to get more research dollars.
Well, there is no cure, there's no treatment, and to me that sounded like there was no hope, but for her there was hope. She actually was admitted, and she's a participant in a clinical trial, one of just a few clinical trials that are available for Sanfilippo syndrome. For us, there's a little hope, but we're looking for a lot more hope. We live in Bergen County, where we have a congressman that represents us, that's so dedicated to the world of rare disease. Very grateful to the congressman for not only his support and his friendship, but also his leadership in the world of rare disease. And of course, very much honored that Karen's name is part of something so important like Karen's Law.
We'll be formally introducing new bipartisan legislation, Karen's Law, to continue that fight for more investment in research. This tax credit will give families like Karen's the resources and hope for curing these rare diseases. But working together closely with Valley Hospital, we successfully clawed back more than $600,000 to enhance their Augie project, a next-generation AI technology that will be used to reduce patient falls and keep people safe. What's great is that this technology allows for monitoring, but without streaming video to protect the patient's privacy. Essentially, it creates a digital outline which looks like a stick figure over the person's blurred image. I know this new technology will bring peace of mind to so many families and to those who have loved ones here at Valley. Wonderful hospitals like this one are phenomenal doctors and nurses and techs. There's no reason why our best days won't always be ahead of us if we just keep our eyes focused and doing the work. Thank you again for joining me. God bless you. God bless our great families. Thank you so much. God bless our country.